My name is Alyson, I'm an Institute partner and I make terrarium kits. I find making terrariums, I find it quite meditative. I love getting lost in these tiny little miniature landscapes. Planting in a terrarium, because it is a self-sustaining environment, I'd like to think it would give people the confidence to experiment with other planting and to try and bring more sort of greenery into their homes. It's lovely when I hold my group classes because there's a lot of sort of energy in the room, and then as people start planting, it's almost like this calm and tranquility just sort of descends upon the room, and you can almost see people's stresses just evaporate. It's lovely. Plants have been inspiring artists and writers throughout the ages, so there's a wealth of creative works and resources that you can kind of dive into to really get your creative juices going. My advice to anyone making their first terrarium is not to be too precious. I do have a tendency to get stuck in a research bubble sometimes, and I find the best way out of that is just to shut down all technology and get out into the greenhouse or the garden and just get my hands dirty, start experimenting and doing.